Leo, this is your channel messages for the 3rd of June. Leo, your channel message is the 7 of Pentacles, Uranus, which rules the planet of Aquarius. Okay? And we have the Knight of Cups. So, I'm getting something about a production. I'm getting everybody is on board except one. Jesus Christ, my shit lean. I don't know what's happening. This is the second reading that is giving me a cut. Let's continue the reading. Okay, so Leo, yeah, your channel message is 7 of Pentacles, Uranus, and the Knight of Cups. I'm getting somebody not cooperating. I'm getting you're trying to use gentle guidance to guide somebody. But I'm getting the production or something can't start until somebody agrees. Maybe you're trying to make somebody thoughts be organic, even though you're planting the seed. I'm getting something like that, Leo. I'm getting something is for people to see. Yeah, I'm getting someone's acting a little bit anally. And it's crazy because it's June. So let's go ahead and go into your reading. Leo. Okay, Leo. Did you see the whole thing about the 2 players in the chess competition? Yeah, in Norway, the place of free education. Okay, anybody speak Norwegian? I'm a Norwegian, sexy guys and all the hot girls in Norway scream. Okay, so I don't know if you know about Norway, okay? The chess championships, what your name? Gushki and Magnus. No, was Magnus a Caucasian? Because Gushki, the G sound Indian. Anyways, I was looking at the reaction. Now we just show you the difference when it comes on to not only classism, but when it comes on to ethnicity. As soon as the Caucasian guy lose him lick, you can't see him have a tantrum problem. You can't say when him not get him with him hit. Now, this is not to say him won't hit women, but if he's anything like my ex-husband, he will definitely punch holes in the fucking wall if he's angry. And you bring that to fucking Norway competition. Look how much executives are around you. This is chess. This is not sports. This is prestigious. This is Harry Potter. He went to fucking Norway sponsorship to play Harry Potter game. And you're going to hit the decks when you saw that you had a mistake. Of course you had a mistake. Look how he was dressed. His shirt was out of his pants. It wasn't even ironed. Did his mother iron his shirt before the competition? Where was his blazer? You see how the other Indian guy was dressed? He had all of attire in. His shirt was tucked in. And you made a fast decision and it cost you within seconds. And it showed. Not only were you had the shirt out of your pants, your shirt not ironed properly, we don't see the belt, we don't see your blazer, you take off, is what it is sports. It's chess. This is the Londons. This is chess. And then when the Caucasian kid with him hit the thing and get up, sign off, throw a nickel tantrum and touch the guy and walk away. Where you touch him for? He look like him own oil. You see the Indian guy reaction? Him get up and do this. That man's reaction look like him win lottery at least 11 times. Him look like theme family in a palmistry and astrology. His reaction was nothing less than the reaction of people when oil prices went up and them look on the whole trading of bulls and bears stock market. Him reaction was very expensive. That is how I expect my father can buy your father. That is a very expensive reaction. You see the reaction when the guy hit the thing? Ghetto. Look on the reaction of the Indian guy. Put him hand in his pockets, one hand under this. The money. Oil. That's oil. That's oil. That's the prestigious Indians. That's what it was. Anyways. So it just comes to show you people that even your dressing can tell you a lot about somebody. And you play chess. Your mind's supposed to be very organized, like the little boxes you're playing. You not have on your blazer, your shirt out of your pants, it never even iron. The other Indian guy have on him whole attire. You saw him did look with a tie on, so elegant. So proud, so focused. And that's why I'm winning. Because ultimately, when you play chess, it's not about playing chess, it's a lifestyle. Make real chess players, them life is compartment into little bricks too. Very organized. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Very expensive reaction, Leo. Anyways, let's go ahead and first card out is the Six of Pentacles. So Leo, the Six of Pentacles can be patronage, it can be help, it can be gambling. You gamble and you lost. Not sure if you was betting on somebody or against somebody. We had this, yeah, Leo, hi. Did you lose? Hopefully you never gamble your child away. I'm getting, yeah, you have to pay up. Maybe you won. Because with the Leo card here and the Six of Pentacles here, I'm getting you saying, if I did bet more, would I win more? But you was betting to get more, to continue to go by. So I'm getting something about you win. Something about you happy. Now this could also be something about child support. Okay, like you're paying child support. Listen to me, when paternity tests are going to be mandatory before the baby leave the hospital. We have the Page of Swords. We have the Queen of Cups. So I'm getting something about a Pisces. And we have the Knight of Pentacles. Something about a story about a baby. Is the baby Sagittarius? I'm getting something about a baby. Somebody going to give you a baby. Somebody want to pay you to watch a baby. Something about a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio that have at least 2 years invested in a baby. I'm not sure if somebody ex have a baby. I'm getting something about this Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman and a baby. Okay? If that's not it, I'm getting something about you're supposed to be hanging out with somebody and you're going to be the sorry people. And they're going to be the most nicest people. And I'm supposing it's supposed to affect your ego. I don't know what this is. Six of Pentacles is clarified by the Six of Cups, 66. What is this? 66. So that's soul selling. That's somebody's going to sell you the fuck out. They want to be seen talking to you and they want to be seen patronize you. 66. We're getting something about a baby. Or something about a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio affecting your happiness. The Sun card is clarified by the... Yes, I'm getting something about a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio who she had a kid with. I'm getting something about a one-night stand. Something about a Sagittarius. Where the Page of Swords is clarified by the Tarot. Yeah, this is Tarot. I'm getting something... Yeah, the Hierophant. Is this your ex? Somebody you was with in a long-term relationship. More than 5 years. You were married to them. I don't know if somebody me getting something about this man and this woman. Them have a baby. Maybe the man know you. You don't know about the baby, and the girl know you. The Queen of Cups is clarified by the Nine of Cups. Yeah, me getting okay. So I'm not sure what's up. Me getting something about okay. The Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio is satisfied. Me keep I get something about a Sagittarius and him baby. The Knight of Pentacles is clarified by the Six of Pentacles. We started with the Six of Pentacles, we end with the Six of Pentacles. We have 66 2 times. Because over here we have the Six of Pentacles with the Six of Cups. That is even share. Now we have the Six of Pentacles with the Knight of Cups. Something about if you offer your services or if you're friendly with the Queen of Pentacles, you can get more. You'll be allotted more if you play friendly, if you play nice. But me getting while you play friendly and nice, somebody will take you, they must swap destinies with you. Because you don't play friendly, you don't play nice, but you have to do it to get more. Leo, Jesus Christ. I tell you, sometimes Leo is a very dangerous sign because they like to be in the spotlight or they like to be seen as a good person. But the downside of Leo is make you have Leo in a Mars. Anybody who have Leo in a Mars placement, yeah, you can't get the devil for do it, them not gonna do it. You can't push Leo in a Mars will make sure the sun, everybody dead. Leo, Leo in a Mars. Leo in a Mars. Aries in a Mars, very feisty. Because Aries rule Mars, the home of. But you say Leo in a Mars, them will burn down the whole apartment them living if them live in a one room. Because them a Leo, them is the sun. And even if them will drag the sun closer to earth and then what will happen, everybody will go dead, right? That's how Leo stay. Leo evil. We're getting this woman. Somebody want the spotlight to come on for you. And here you were wanting somebody to come on you. We have the, you know, and if you're looking for the truth, you can never lie, though. You have number one. Something about a one. Yeah, it's only you. We need a spotlight off you, okay? And you know, big ups to Jennifer Hudson, because we remember her song, I don't like living under your spotlight. Baby, if you treat me right, you don't have to worry. You remember that song? And then look what happened. She have her show. She never lived in that spotlight. And look there, she get her show almost the same time Kelly Clarkson get her show. But it look like Kelly Clarkson tired. Okay, we have political agenda. Oop. Probably what I was saying. We have Sagittarius and we have Mercury. One more, because I felt like CIA. Now I feel more comfortable. I'm going to leave it here. I'm Leo. Until next time. Bye.